Hello everybody, and today we're going to be messing with my cat. In my last video, the tour, I was looking for him and I couldn't find him, but now I did. And I'm going to mess with him. He loves to play with this thing. It's a little hat. Pioneers. Let me get a better look at it. It's just a hat. But he loves it. Let me just get the curtains. He likes that curtain spot. Just look. Peekaboo. 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 So, this is how a cat reacts to fuzzy things. Hold on guys, let me get a better shot. Come on, attack it. Attack it. You can't get it. You can't get it. You can't get it. You want it? He's exhausted. I've been messing with him all day. He's high? Like, no. I'm ashamed. No, no. You want it? Can you play for the video? He usually goes crazy over this thing. Come on. See, he wants it, but he's tired. Close up with a dangerous cat. Usually his eyes turn all big and he wants it, but I guess he's too tired. There's the bird.
Hello?
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 Hello? Let's see if you're up for it. Let's see if you're up for it, cat. Cat, what did you do? What? He's under this couch right there. Oh, no! Ooh, 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 ooh. We got some action here. Oh, he's actually getting it now. Sorry, guys. Need a better hand. Let me move the couch. Come on, you know you want it. You know you want it. Sorry, guys, for the camera. You know. Ooh, yeah, grab it, grab it. Ooh. Woo. He's attacking this thing. Get it, get it. Oh, oh, ah. Hello, little kitty. Do you like squeaky toys? Like I said, that's one of his favorite things to play with. No, mine. I can't get it. Oh, now that I have the camera, you don't want to play? Come on. Got to switch the camera real quick. Come on. Okay. Well, hopefully I got... Oh, you want to attack it now, huh? Ooh. No, you don't get it. You gotta attack it. Okay. Well, can you say bye? Oh crap, the cat's attacking it. No, he wants to run away. Watch this. Oh, oh. Get on, kitty, kitty. You know you want it. Watch this. Oh my God! Little cat, you can't get it. Okay. that ends that for this video, guys. Like always, smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video!